Hello, my little friends from Mother Russia, and today we will continue configuring Linux Active Directory Domain Controller on Ubuntu 18. And today, just today, we will make the last configuration of our BIND9 DNS server that will allow us to start configuring our domain controller. So, welcome to the admin guide channel, and let's continue. First of all, we need to log into our server. We are now on the third step here. Well, let's set up BIND9 and activate integration of DLZ. Here, if after you complete the second step, and here is, you can see, automatically uncommented line, then everything is good and your version of BIND9 is compatible with your version of Samba. So if it's not uncommented, let's uncomment it and try to configure anyway. But you need to check the versions of packages on the second step, and maybe you have done something wrong. Because if you do everything right after you initiate the main controller, it will automatically uncomment this line in named.conf. Now let's edit add bind named.conf, and on the last line edit path to file that we see in previous step here. That's okay. Now we must check the access rights to all necessary files. Let's start from the DNS ktab file. Here you can see access mask that you need, and group and owner of this file. If everything is okay, then let's go to the next file. If not, you must set the rights and owners as in the manual. This is necessary in the Ubuntu 18 and may be useful on the next versions of Ubuntu Server. So let's check everything is okay. Now let's check rights on the key rb5 conf. Everything, not everything is okay. Let's fix the access rights and check again, and now everything is okay. Now let's check availability of NSUpdate utility. It's available, it's very good. For now we need to download the root DNS servers and set the group and access rights to this file. Now let's check the configuration of BIND9. If nothing appears in this moment, it seems that there are no any errors, any very bad errors. Don't know how to tell it in English. There may be errors, but if nothing appears here, these errors are not critical. Now let's set up zone files, create directory, and make an owner transfer ownership from root to bind group and bind user. Now let's create localhost file. In this step, it's very important each space in that file consists, so just directly press on the copy button and paste it here. Then use Ctrl O to save, Ctrl X to close. And transfer the rules and make access rights to the file. The same in this zone. Here is here is here is mistake. It must be like this. Just a second, I will check. Yes, here is mistakes. I will correct them after I will record this video. Here must be more than one space. And same here. I will add correct formatting of this code. Let's transfer ownership and access rules. And that's all. We have two files we must create. And now let's check, is everything okay. No, there is an error here. Let's check what we missed. If you see such error, denied, something maybe more, here is again denied, it means that AppArmor blocks our DNS server from starting. Here is the symptom, here is how to find it, and here is an example of an error. Let's turn off AppArmor. After we turn AppArmor off, we must reboot server and continue. Let's wait for a few seconds. and let's check again. And everything works good. So now we can continue and pass to the next step. Step 4. Linux Samba 4 IDDC, the second part of configuration. In this video that you have seen right now, we configured BIND9 DNS server to be able to hold the local DNS zone of our Active Directory domain controller. How to configure the domain controller after this step you will see in next video. See you later. Goodbye. Press like, subscribe, comment, ask questions. I will try to answer on each question. Thanks for your attention.